Hi, Veena Kumari.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. Yes, Veena, where are you from?
I'm from Bhadradri, Kothingri.
Okay. And what is your education qualification?
I completed MCOM at Usmania University.
Okay. And how do you know about SVC training?
I got to know about SVC through Instagram. Sir.
Okay. And what did you learn during this 2 months training?
I gained a good knowledge like finance, investment banking, and accounting. I improved my communication skills through jam sessions and HR sessions.
Very good. Good to know that. Yes, Veena Kumari, share your interview experience.
It's basically 2 rounds. Sir. First round is of assessment. Assessment consists of a general English, arithmetic,
Okay.
and second round is management round. They asked nearly 20 questions, sir, which is about project and regarding subject like ratios, share market.
Fine. And how many questions answered?
I answered nearly 16 questions.
Very good. And what do you suggest to the become an MBA job seekers?
Wants to start their career on finance, accounting, I would recommend SVC.
Okay. And when you are going to join?
I already joined.
Okay. Very Congratulations and all the very best.